Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to trade stickers on Monopoly Go using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Monopoly Go application. And then now you need to make sure that your net worth is 15 or more than 15 so that you can have the access on the album option at the lower right side of your screen. So now once you have 15 net worth, you can just go ahead and click on the album section at the bottom right side of your screen. And by the way, you can earn net worth by building, okay? So now click on album, then just go ahead and select a sticker that you want to trade with your friends or any user. And then after that, you need to select a friend because once you select a sticker, you should see a list of friends. So just go ahead and select a friend that you want to trade with. Then after that, once you click on your friend, you just need to wait for their response, okay? So that is how you trade a sticker in Monopoly Go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.